I'm Wes Gollum, the Energy Geek, and I'm here today with my good friend Bob the Builder Irving.
Hey, Wes.
Hi, Bob. Glad to have you back.
Yeah, thanks.
So recently, we just had a cold snap. It was minus 17 here. It must have been colder at your house.
I had one thermometer that was about minus 20. We have 3 mini splits in the house. We have a 2,600 square foot house. It goes back into the 1800s. During the cold snap, the kitchen has still heat loss from old doors and stuff. That got down to 64. Another room was closer to 68. This one is 20 below.
Yeah.
This one is 20 below. So the idea that heat pumps don't work in cold weather is nuts, frankly.